We're trying to learn how to use Python with the help of Chat GPT, and we're even asking Chat GPT what programs we should create for us to learn along the way. We're working on this step a game app, but it gave multiple recommendations, so we asked for more clear advice. We built the Tic Tac game in the last video, and now we're going to work on a Hangman game. I want to create a game of Hangman with a Kivy UI using ASCII art in Python. I don't know if I said that right, or let's see. Oh, it's ASCII. What do you guys think? Is this going to be a super short video? Maybe it gets a red on the first try. I don't want to jinx this return, but it seems like the responses have been getting longer and more cohesive. This app just got out the whole thing in one go. But the question is, does it work? We have 9 issues, but they're all Kivy related, so we can easily just install this here, and all the issues went away. Good to go. Wow, this is a big app. So if we zoom out, that's really not convenient. Instead of having buttons, we want to have a text input. We also want that input box to be able to accept the final answer. Okay, now we should be able to run it. Here's the empty spaces of the word. Here's where we can put the letter in. Let's say A. Submit 2 A's. Wow. We lose. Okay, we didn't have enough lives left. We want to show the remaining lives and show the previous guesses. Need to add these to the init and add to the handle guess. Let's just get the whole function. That's not the best formatting, but okay, we'll take it. Now we just need the handle guess function, which was going to go up here, and I think that should run. Okay, there we go. Here's our app now. We've got a ton of code now for the handle guess function, and I think this might work. Let's see. We know the word now, that's helpful. The whole thing crashed. I don't know how much more of this Chat GPT could take. Okay, we've got almost everything here. If we do a wrong guess, the lives go down. It shows you all the previous guesses. I don't know what this means. Oh, it's showing us the person now. That's great. The previous guesses don't quite fit. Let's hang this man. Okay, there we go. There you have it, a simple basic Hangman app. And the next thing we're going to build is a memory match game. This should be a tricky one.